Hello everyone, come back to my channel. Today I'm show you how to generate all anything in your photo with website Adobe Firefly. Please follow me. Now click on Safari and type Adobe Firefly AI. Please click on Sign In. You can sign in with 3 steps. When you sign in already, please scroll down. Please click on Create with Firefly. Click on Upload Image. Select one photo you want to generate. Type anything you want to generate. Click on Generate. Click on Background. Type everything you want to generate background. If your photo is already, please click on Download. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.